Welcome to the TRAVELZON channel. Today we're embarking on a grand tour of Italy. From the bustling energy of Rome to the tranquil beauty of Lake Como, we'll uncover the heart and soul of this enchanting country. So grab your passport, pack your bags, and let's dive into Italy. Rome, the eternal city, whispers stories of emperors and gladiators. Explore the Colosseum and feel the weight of history. Glide through Venice's romantic canals, a symphony of gondolas and charming bridges. Get lost in its labyrinthine streets and hidden alleys. Florence, birthplace of the Renaissance, dazzles with masterpieces. Michelangelo's David awaits. Milan. Fashion and design. Milan, a hub of high fashion, pulses with modern energy. Marvel at the Duomo's Gothic facade. Naples. Pizza. Perfection. Savor authentic Neapolitan pizza, a culinary masterpiece. Explore Pompeii ruins. Cinque Terre. Coastal charms. Hike between the 5 colorful villages clinging to the rugged Ligurian coastline. Amalfi Coast. Breathtaking beauty. Drive the scenic Amalfi Coast, where cliffs meet turquoise waters. A feast for the eyes. Sicily, island of wonders. Discover Sicily's rich history, vibrant culture, and stunning landscapes, from ancient ruins to volcanoes. Tuscany, rolling hills and vineyards. Explore Tuscany's hills, dotted with vineyards and medieval towns. Sip Chianti under the Tuscan sun. Lake Como. Relax by the shores, surrounded by stunning villas and picturesque mountains. Bologna. Culinary delights. Indulge in Bologna's rich culinary traditions, from pasta to gelato. Explore its historic porticos and vibrant food scene. Verona, romance and history. Discover Verona, the city of Romeo and Juliet, and its Roman arena. Pompeii. Frozen in time. Step back in time at Pompeii, a city frozen by Mount Vesuvius. Sardinia. Discover stunning beaches, crystal-clear waters, and unique culture. Pisa. The Leaning Tower. Marvel at the iconic Leaning Tower of Pisa, a testament to architectural ingenuity and a great photo op. Turin. Elegance and history. Discover Turin's architecture, history, and its link to the Italian automotive industry. Genoa. Historic port city. Wander through Genoa's port district, a labyrinth of narrow streets and colorful buildings. Siena. Medieval charm. Experience Siena's medieval charm, its stunning cathedral, the historic Piazza del Campo, and the thrilling Palio horse race. Capri. Island glamour. Bask in the glamour of Capri with its stunning natural beauty, upscale shopping, and vibrant culture. Matera. Ancient cave dwellings. Discover Matera's unique landscape, characterized by ancient cave dwellings carved into the hillside. Thanks for joining us on this whirlwind tour of Italy. We hope you've been inspired to plan your own Italian adventure. From ancient ruins to stunning beaches, Italy offers something for everyone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to TRAVELZON for more travel inspiration. Ciao!